Automated teller machine. Did you know that in 1967 the world's first automated teller machine was installed at Barclays Bank, Enfield? Pimlico Tube Station. Did you know that the Pimlico Tube Station is the deepest station below sea level in the Victoria Line? Daphne Navarro. Did you know that Daphne Navarro was the first trampolining to represent Mexico at the Olympics? Dubuque, Arkansas. Did you know that Dubuque, Arkansas was destroyed in the American Civil War and is now covered by the waters of Bull Shoals Lake? No Japanese singer, born 2000. Did you know that Japanese singer No became interested in music after watching the 2006 film High School Musical? Aristotle. Did you know that Aristotle's system of logic formed the foundation of logical thought in the Western world for more than 2,000 years until the advent of modern symbolic logic? Arma blanc. Did you know that the art of arma blanc, of drawing languages without words and including sounds, was recognized in the 1970s but fell into obscurity until a rediscovery in the 2010s? Blood on the floor turnage. Did you know that blood on the floor uses scaffolding as an instrument?